take ESL classes. Look around your ESL classroom or around the Blackboard Collaborate session at your classmates. Why are they taking this writing class? Are their reasons the same or different from yours? There are many reasons why students take ESL classes, but most people have a larger goal in mind. Understanding the three main types of motivation for taking ESL classes can help you clarify your future plans. I'm going to pause in reading and ask you a few questions about this first paragraph of an example essay. This paragraph is called the introduction paragraph. It has two main purposes. The first one is to get you, the reader's, attention. Sometimes this purpose is called the hook because it's like a fishing hook that catches the reader's attention. Did it catch your attention? I hope it did. It tried to make a personal connection to you. The other part of the introduction is to provide the thesis statement. The last sentence in the introduction paragraph is the thesis statement. It tells the main idea for the whole essay. We will have other videos about thesis statements, but I wanted to show you what the thesis statement was in this essay. Understanding the three main types of motivation for taking ESL classes can help you clarify your future plans. Notice that there are three main types, and we will have 3 body paragraphs. So let's look, before we continue reading this essay a little bit more, let's look a little bit at it, kind of an overview. Remember I said the first body paragraph was the introduction. It's indented, which means I push the tab key, and it's double spaced. Since we're here, I'll just show that very quickly. If you want a double space, sometimes your writing looks like this. It's single spaced, but you would go here and click 2.0. Okay, so that's the introduction paragraph. Now you can see we have a few more paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last paragraph is the conclusion paragraph. So we have an introduction paragraph to begin and a conclusion paragraph to end. We will learn more about introductions and conclusions next week. Then we have 3 body paragraphs in the middle. These correspond to the 3 main types of motivation for taking ESL classes. So remember, this is the thesis. It's always the last sentence of the introduction paragraph. Other important sentences in our paragraphs are topic sentences. The topic sentence is always the first sentence in a body paragraph. In reading class, you might also be looking for topic sentences, and you might find that the topic of some paragraphs in reading class is not the first sentence. Sometimes you have to look for it, sometimes it's at the end, sometimes you have to infer it. In the beginning of writing class, we always write the topic sentence first because we are learning the formula before we change it. Later in the semester, we will learn how to write a paragraph where the topic sentence is not the first. But for now, we have 3 topic sentences. Remember, in the conclusion, we don't need a topic sentence because it's just wrapping up. So we are supposed to study 3 main types of motivation. So let's look and see what they are according to the topic sentences. Many students take ESL classes because they want to get a degree or certificate. That's one body paragraph. Some students have goals beyond Harper College. So let's see, how are these two different? This is they want to get a degree or certificate at Harper College. This one means students have goals beyond or outside of Harper College. So those two are different. And some people just want to improve their English language skills. Okay, so we see 3 different reasons why people take ESL classes. Now, I want to show you, this is the finished product of an essay. So make sure that you read it completely. This is an outline of the essay. Of course, during our writing process, we make an outline before we write the essay. However, for this practice, you will make an outline after you write the essay. Why? Because it helps you to understand the organization of the essay. So you see that some parts of the outline are already completed for you. The thesis statement is here, and point 1, the topic sentence, is here. Students take ESL classes because they want to get a degree or certificate at Harper College. Here we need 2 supporting ideas, and we already have some details about the second one. So let's take a minute to read that first body paragraph and see how we would complete that. I'll read it aloud. Please follow along. Many students take ESL classes because they want to get a degree or certificate at Harper College. Harper College is a community college, which has 2 important meanings for ESL students. First, Harper College admits all students. You don't have to apply and be accepted. This means Harper is a great path forward, no matter what your previous education is. Second, Harper offers career certificates and associate's degrees. Students can start studying for those programs while they are in levels 4 and 5 of ESL and after they finish at ESL classes. Career certificates allow people to work in very specific jobs. For example, heating and air conditioning is a career certificate that allows people to work in repairing these systems. Many health careers, such as radiologic technology, licensed practical nurse, and registered nurse, are also career certificates. On the other hand, associate degrees are more general. You can start a major with your associate degree, but the degree is a little more general, such as associate in arts or associate in science. If students want to get a degree or certificate from Harper, ESL classes are a great place to start. Hopefully, while you were listening, you noticed these 2 words, first and second. So these correspond to the main supporting ideas that we'll see on our outline. The first point is Harper admits all students. And the second one is Harper offers career certificates and associate's degrees. So when I am making my outline, I will say here, first, Harper admits all students. Second, Harper offers 2 types of programs. And here we have the 2 types of programs, career certificates and associate's degrees. So your job is to finish reading this essay. And for the second and third body paragraph, you need to complete the topic sentence only, the main idea. And for the third body paragraph, you need to complete the topic sentence and 4 supporting ideas. Hopefully, looking at this essay as an overview of all the important components of an essay helps you better understand the goal and what's expected in your assignment.